Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Thermoplan Black and White automatic coffee maker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. There's kind of two reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If the coffee maker is not working or not making coffee like it's supposed to, or if the screen is frozen or not responding and stuff like that, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. The other reason is if you want to just set this coffee maker up as a brand new coffee maker and delete all the previous configurations so that it's back to the way it was when it came out of the box, we can go ahead and do that. So all we're going to do is we're going to come to the screen, and on the top left, we're going to tap on the word ready. And when we do that, it's going to prompt us to enter a PIN. We will enter the PIN of 1111 and then hit the check mark to enter it. Once that happens, we'll get to this screen here. We'll have to hit the step button one time. And when we hit the step button one time, what will happen is that'll just take it to the next parameter. And once that happens, we're going to come and we're going to press and hold the minus button for about 10 seconds. And then the display is actually going to show reset, exclamation point, exclamation point, exclamation point, at which point you can release the button, and that will reset the whole thing.